We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win.
My name is Neil deGrasse Tyson. I was 10 years old when I watched that awesome moment on TV, and I've been hooked on the cosmos ever since. As an astrophysicist and host of Cosmos, a Space-Time Odyssey, and Star Talk, I've dedicated my life to the exploration of the universe. In 2019, a full 50 years after the moon landing, it's time to inspire ourselves and each other to achieve the impossible again. In these divisive and uncertain times, we must focus on moving forward and on that which inspires us, and work together to solve problems and build a bright future for everyone. What the Great Space Race did to inspire an entire generation of people, FIRST has done for millions of students around the world over the past 3 decades. And today, we continue that momentum with the reveal of FIRST Launch 2019.